shot. They got 2 months party, African invasion, done invaded everything.
Just me and my team.
Yo, what's good, fans? We out here at this little event that it's a Cahtel Mufado. My voice is shot because, man, I was in there turning it up. We just love these people. There's so many people. We love you guys. There's some Zimbo girls in there. Zico, Chennai.
Wagwan.
Who else was there? And there was other Zimbos in there.
Rutendo,
Chipo,
Tokmo, Zizo, Magari, Imomo.
Yeah.
Anyway, we in here. See, I got my Zima with patch on. I'm in there repping. The homies here finally.
Tashika.
Where am I?
Wagwan. This is FSC alongside the Cahtel, you know. Big up Zimbabwe, you know. Rastaman for life. That's what we do. Big up. Do this shit in it right now. We have to turn the party up. Big up, Rasta.
We're not smoking right now. This is Chando Chukudam so.
Trying to make a pentagon, so I don't trust me.
It's real, it's film. That's what my mom. I'm killing. Yes. That's what my mom. Oh my gosh, no.
Where's my other two security? Where is my other two security?
Hey, yo, come on.